watching. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do an unboxing of the August IPSY mystery bags. This one is the coolest texture. It's like suede velvet. I don't know, it feels so cool, and it has this really cute little turquoise button. So I'll start with the small one. There are 5 trial size products in this bag. Oh my gosh, look at that color. So, first thing in this bag is the Goldilocks Hydrating Signature Hair Mask. Definitely going to be checking this one out. Oh my god. Oh my god. It smells like the candle from Anthropologie, Volcano. Have you ever smelled the candle? Super bright citrus. Oh, that is amazing. I might have to get a full size of that. That smells so freaking good. Then we have the Double Vita Drop Serum. I already have this. I just brought this on my recent trip to Colorado. The one I had did not smell great. It worked fine, like the product itself was fine, but the smell, not for me. So I wonder if this one smells the same. Next, we have the Brighten and Glow and Hydrate Cocoa Caffeine Under Eye. Okay, love a caffeinated under eye. Then is the Half Caked Little Mascara. Can you see that? So cute and tiny. Oh, I can feel it. It's a fluffy wand. We love those. Ooh, I'm excited to try this one. Then the Flamingo Glow Highlighter. I already have one of these. Do not love it. The other one I had was like separated. I'm a little nervous. Yeah, this is the exact same shade I had last time. You could already see this one's like separated in there. That's all that's in like the little one. Honestly, this little clutch is so soft. Also, do you like my makeup today? I was watching Jersey Shore earlier this morning, so I was inspired by my New York roots and went black eyeliner on the waterline. Can you believe it? I haven't done that literally since I was like 13. And like a brown lip. I feel very New York. Okay, so then the larger, this is full-size products, the August mystery bag. It's like studded. Cute, love that for fall. There are 5 full-size products. I'm gonna start with one of my all-time favorite bands. It's Rodial. This is the Dragon's Blood Eye Gel, Hydrate and Tone. I love Rodial products, their makeup, their skincare. Literally can't say enough good things about them. Probably like 10 years ago, one of the people who work for their team reached out to me and sent me a bunch of products, and ever since then I've been hooked. They're so good, they smell good, the packaging is beautiful. So I know I'm gonna love this. Then is the Pamper and Polish Sugar and Coconut Body Scrub. Ooh, that sounds good. I'm gonna try that one for sure. Then we have the Morphe Drip Glass Glazed Lip Gloss. Let's see what this is about. This is like such a perfect color. I'm really into these like burnt oranges right now because of fall. Ooh, that is holographic. Okay, interesting. Not very pigmented. This actually looks like an old Jeffree Star lip gloss that I used to have that is no longer. No smell. That's a nice little topper. Should I try some on? I'm gonna ruin the wand. Let's see. Cute. Then we have the Biro Peach Kombucha Tea Clay Mask. Pretty sure I already have one of these. So I might be doing a giveaway. I think that would be in order. I love this company, Biro, New York. They have really great products. Their toners, their clay masks, love them. And lastly, in this glam bag, This is the Lunar Beauty Moon Prism Liquid Blush in Fuchsia. Ooh, that's a color I would not normally go for. So let's open her up and see what she's got. Ooh, the packaging's really pretty. It's like this ombre matte into the clear. I don't know if I would call that fuchsia. I would call that more of a bubblegum pink. But I definitely am excited to try this. That color is like right up my alley. I love liquid blush. And yeah, I did get 3 add-on products with this order. I can't help myself. I just love trying new products and seeing what works. And you know, it's exciting. So with that, I did get the Laura Mercier Caviar Eye Color in Rose Thorn. Just a sucker for these eyeshadow sticks. They're great for traveling. I'm a busy mom, so anything I can do to skip a step. They like blend out super easy. This color, I don't know if it's showing up on camera. It's like a mauve, dusty, cool tone. Really pretty. Wow. That's gonna look great. I have like green eyes, so that will complement them very well. Then I have the Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer. Why did I get this? What is this? It's a concealer, okay? This is a concealer. And I have a few Kevyn Aucoin products. I love the packaging. It's like this beautiful dark blue, very well made. So I was curious to try his concealer. I think that's gonna be a little bit too light for me. But winter is here, so we will see. Oh, it looks like white. Oh my God. I don't know. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Whoops. That is gonna be way too light for me where I'm at, but it's the end of summer. I do still have a tan, so we'll see what happens. And then lastly, I did get the Anastasia Beverly Hills Beauty Balm Serum Boosted Skin Tint in number 8. It's so hard to buy off the internet when you don't know what color you are. This actually looks good. Let's see. I love, yeah, this I feel like I could make work. I love these like tinted balms. I don't think this has SPF in it, but I do love tinted balms rather than full face foundation. My everyday makeup routine is very simple. I'm always busy with my daughter going to the park, the pool, the beach, whatever it is, so I'm not trying to do like full glam every day, but I do like a little bit of coverage. So I usually go for a tinted SPF type situation, and yeah, I was curious to try this. That is what was in the August mystery glam bags, and thank you for watching.